Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the dataset is numeric and trimmed. This prevents errors. Once done, highlight the exact cell range you want to analyze. Make sure not to include header text. If you prefer, sort values ascending to visualize quartiles, though formulas don't require sorting. Next, choose whether to include blanks, replace or remove them to avoid miscounts. Finally, note the cell addresses. You'll reference that range in formulas for Q1, median, and Q3 computations. You'll now apply functions. For classic output, type equals quartile, A2, A100, 1 to get first quartile, change to 2 for median and 3 for third quartile. Alternatively, use equals percentile, A2, A100, 0, 25 for precise control at 1/4. Once you understand that, make formulas dynamic. Use A2, or wrap with filter to exclude blanks. If you want automatic updates on added rows, convert the data into a named range, or use array formula patterns, so quartiles recalculate without manual edits. Finish by placing results in labeled cells and double-checking assumptions. Inclusive versus exclusive methods change endpoints, so use quartile, inc, or quartile, exc intentionally. If you encounter errors, inspect the range for non-numeric entries. Use value or clean functions to coerce numbers. When formulas return unexpected values, try percentile with explicit fractions to compare. If needed, wrap in IFR to show a helpful message. One key tip: validate with a small hand-calculated sample to ensure your chosen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.